Like some bust my shein outfits. I just ordered some shein outfits. Shit. Okay, let's unbox my shein outfits. Okay, guys. You know when like you promise a child something and they get excited, they can't wait to get that. This is what is happening to me with this outfit. I've been planning this outfit in my head since. Oh my god! Like I couldn't wait for Shane to send me my clothes. Oh my god! You see, tell me you're not seeing. Oh my god! So it's going to need a little bit of mending here, yeah, shaping, but that's all right. I'm going to do it, and let's test the other ones. You see, ew, Jesus. Okay, let's get it on. Let's test the other ones. Okay, I was on Shein scrolling, like looking for what to buy. I was so confused, but baby, when I saw this dress, I was like, Sylvia, you're getting it. You're getting it. I couldn't wait. Tell me. It also has a cover up. Like if you don't want to show skin, you can just cover it up. If you're someone that doesn't want to expose your body, so this is the cover up. Like you can just cover